Hi guys, today I'm going to run you through really quick how to make a screencast so that if you're doing that for any kind of virtual assistant work or you need to make a screencast for a project or anything else, you'll know how to do it. First I want to say the program that I'm using is called Screencast-O-Matic. It is a free program and we can link to it here in the post and in the description of the video. So it does have a paid version, however I don't usually use that one. I use a free version. And that's always been enough for what I needed to do. So I'm going to kind of show you through a series of screenshots because what I'm actually doing in the screencast right now, you won't be able to see because it cuts off. So this is actually what I'm seeing here above where I'm recording. And this is the box that comes up when you first open the program. So here you'll see the mic and the green will be lighting up if your mic is working. So always test that before you start to make a screencast to make sure that it is working. And then you'll see you can do just your screen, just your webcam, or both. So if you're wanting to have the camera on you as well, that's a good way to do that. So then I close out of this box typically, and I click record. It'll count down from 3, so it gives you a good time to prep and not have like the clicking noises and things like that when you start. Okay, so if I actually just did a PicMonkey tutorial, so that's why this screen, and you can see here that I have it cut out so that you don't see all of my tabs and everything else like that at the top, and then you don't see the toolbar down here at the bottom. So from there you'll start your recording, you'll click here and it'll count you down, and once you start you just kind of go through the motions doing what you're doing. You'll see where your mouse is here, there will be a yellow circle following that's showing you everything you're pointing to with your mouse. And you'll see up here once you press play you get the pause option. It'll tell you how long you've been recording and it maxes out at 15 minutes. You can see, make sure if you want to mute it you can cross out the mic there, and also if you make any mistakes you can pause it and go back, which is a really handy feature, especially if you kind of forget what you're saying or you need to go back and look over your notes or anything like that. You can go ahead and pause it. Now, if you do happen to make a mistake and you don't want to start the whole video over, for instance, like I've been recording this for about 2 minutes now, 2.5 minutes. If I were to make a mistake about 30 seconds ago and I didn't want to restart the entire video, when you pause it, you can actually seek back to where you made the mistake and continue recording from that position. It'll give you this button here to start recording again from that position, and it'll pop up and it'll ask you if you want to go from that position, and that's a really good way to kind of just delete any errors and start over without starting the entire video over. So you'll notice that that's pretty simple. You just go through, show what you want to show, do what you're doing on your screen so that other people can see, and once you're done with the video you'll see this done button up here and you'll click that and it will bring you to this. It will say what do you want to do with this recording. So you can either directly upload it to YouTube, save it as a video file, or upload to Screencast-O-Matic. What I do is I save it as a video file on my computer and then go to youtube.com and upload it just so I have a copy of it on my computer as well. I like to just have the extra copy. So it's up to you what you want to do, but once you do that you'll click on that. Whatever option you choose, it will pop up with another box that has a green button that says publish, and you'll just go ahead and start publishing it and then you're done.